Looks like a dessert but actually has 40 grams of protein.
Let's make high protein pancake bowl.
These ingredients added in the caption below.
To begin with, add 100 grams of Greek yogurt, 30 grams of oats powder and 1 scoop of flavored whey isolate protein. Crack in 1 egg and add vanilla essence and then add baking powder. Mix everything thoroughly and afterwards I have chopped strawberry and dark chocolate. Assemble strawberry and dark chocolate in a bowl and microwave it at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And your high protein baked pancake is ready.